Oh, Tina.
I miss you.
Miss you, girl.
We should probably... Oh my god.
I wonder if I can. What if I go throw up on the baby?
Oh my god.
I killed it! I killed it!
Did
Oh
you?
my god.
Oh my
Let's see what
god!
green.
I did it! I threw up on a child!
Revenge into this room, but I don't know where it is now.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
It's the injects.
I'm glad I could experience that with you, Jax. That was something special.
That was amazing. That's the first time I've ever gotten to pick that up, actually.
How you doing, Jax? You feeling okay?
Feeling pretty good.
Someone has the bombs. I hear it.
Maybe.
Is everybody here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Huh?
I've got a
Do that
deadly
if I
weapon.
were you.
Well, this is a horror movie. It's fine. This is a horror movie. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
So she doesn't beat the cart.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Oh, shut up! Oh, shut up!
I died.
Big item here, big item in there.
No. Yes.
No!
No. No. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we know where Skeisha is?
In our hearts.
No.
In our arms. It's crazy. Alright, let's make it through the level first.
Come back, she's coming back.
Ow.
Oh, the money. Oh, the cup.
I found a diamond.
Oh no. Oh, that was so unfair. It didn't work. Get closer to me. You're right.
Aww.
Is that on you?
Yes.
He, like, projectile vomited his way over to me. Probably.
What is up with your voice?
You want some? You want some of this?
No, you can have it.
Then
No, you
keep
can have
your
it.
mouth shut, because I won't.
Yeah, obviously you had too much tequila, lady. Relax over there.
Mama,
Don't get too close, Steve.
Mama don't feel good.
Grenades.
Mama don't feel good.
Grenades.
I'll throw up on you. Need your over.
And the boba.
I have a squish. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Who is he?
I ran someone over.
Yeah, I got him. I got him. He's safe with me.
At work today, a kid got run over with a mobility scooter, and that reminded me of that so much.
Button D.
Thank you. Get out of the way. I'm talking to myself.
It's 11?
Hi, Nico.
No!
No, head. Head.
Fucking duck, get the fuck. Ah, what the fuck is this shit?
Oh, what? Are you kidding me?
That was a turf war.
This is okay because we're right in front of the extraction.
What the?
So if he can get back, bring one of us with him, we can come back bit by bit.
No, just go. Just run.
It's Nico. You know he's gonna do it.
I know.
Oh
Is
my
he doing
god.
No, Nico. He cannot fail there. Oh, he's so funny.
Wait, whose head are we? Oh, it's Angel's. Oh my god.
No, that's
This is
Evan's.
so
That one's
funny.
He's so funny. Ain't no
Holy
way.
We go together.
Oh my god, it's right there.
Oh, he pushed it. It's in front. It's in front, Nico.
Stop a bit. Like we're fucking trash bags.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Get me out.
The duck is
Get
coming.
me out of here. Oh my god, fucking
Oh,
dog.
Ducky.
Oh my god. Oh, that was
That-
so funny.
That
Holy
was
shit.
literally like a turf war, and D got cut in the middle.
What the fuck, dude? What? Come after me. I
That
didn't
was
see
so unfair.
Anything up there, Evan?
There's a human grenade.
Down, brother. What did I just say?
I can see his little arms.
Get away from me. Get away. Falling away from me. Falling.
Just like put it in.
Put it.
Oh.
It's still going.
No, stop it. I'm up
Evan,
on the
you wanna
window.
take sprint speed?
Take
Ooh.
grenades though.
Okay.
is it?
Do you want the human grenade or the duck?
Oh no.
Oh,
Alright, I took sprint speed.
And she just left me on the floor.
Stop.
Oh!
Is that the frog? Did he just get? Did he yeet himself into the hole? I'm so mad. We went all that and I fell.
You fell and got fucking blasted to the ceiling, brother. Like, god
I got
damn.
yeeted into the ceiling.
Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Goodbye. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. Evan is cheating.
He's cheating. How did he?
He's fucking cheating.
Ah! Hey, get him! He's right here.
Yeah, I don't know how they're supposed to get up there in the rafters. That's insane. Oh my god.
No fucking way.
Oh my god!
Oh, that's precarious.
Oh.
I think that's it.
No fucking. Why you fucking get me?
Holy.
He's right there.
No way. They're fucking cracked. This is actually the stuff of legends.
Oh, I gotta fucking control F12 this, hang on. Oh my god!
Oh
Nico,
no.
I got you.
Is she gonna see Evan up there?
The doll. And the mentalist.
And the mentalist.
Ooh. And the blind dude. What the fuck?
This is precarious.
No, don't go back there. Yeah, just. Yeah, you just got the ready. Just go out the exit.
Get your life.
Shit, after the fucking mission that we popped, it's the same fucking thing. Ain't no way.
You're right.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, Angel, you absolutely.
That was fucking wild.
I can't believe that works. You try that again.
I want
I'm sorry.
Sing that for me again, Squish. Sing that for me again.
No.